People believe starting a side hustle requires years of experience or an investment of thousands of dollars. However, due to the AI revolution, things have drastically changed. What if I could show you how to begin a side hustle and generate a monthly income of $4,500 within the next 90 days? Many of the tools and resources required to earn money online are available for free. However, people often need help with a lack of necessary skills and the right mindset. While books can provide insights into mindset and motivation, how can you learn high-income skills and simultaneously begin earning money? Moreover, how can you leverage these free tools to monetize your skills? Let me break this down step by step for you. First, you must identify high-paying skills and select the ones that best suit you. I found a helpful article on Google that lists in-demand skills across multiple categories. You can choose any skill from this list, or conduct your research to decide which skill to pursue. As an example, I will choose video editing from this list. Let me show you how to learn this skill in as little as 30 days. One of the most valuable and free learning resources available is YouTube. Type in the main keyword related to your topic here. For instance, I'll search for video editing tutorials. You will find numerous excellent tutorials to explore. So, what's our objective here? We aim to discover expert video editors who teach this skill online and have established successful careers. Watch these tutorials and thoroughly learn the skill from start to finish, taking notes along the way. Select the top 3 to 5 creators you come across on YouTube. After researching, I found these 5 individuals who have achieved significant success in the industry. Now, let's analyze these creators. Firstly, we have Peter McKinnon, who has an impressive subscriber base of 5.87 million. His videos primarily focus on filmography. When I clicked on the link, it redirected me to his website where he sells presets, templates for video editing software. It gives us a potential idea. We could create presets and sell them as digital products. Next, we have Parker Welbeck, who boasts an impressive subscriber count of 1.94 million. Like Peter McKinnon, he also focuses on filmography videos. When I clicked on the provided link, I discovered that Parker was selling his filming course for $997. It presents us with another idea for creating a digital product. I won't go into detail about each creator, as I believe you understand the pattern I'm attempting to illustrate here. After thoroughly analyzing all 5 creators, I observed that their income sources come from clients, YouTube ads revenue, presets, and courses. It's important to note that they commonly utilize Adobe Premiere Pro as their editing software. These creators have dedicated 8 to 10 years to honing their skills in this field, which indicates a strong demand for this skill that can provide a sustainable livelihood. As you can see, in just a few minutes of research, I've gathered a wealth of information and found over 100 hours of free tutorials on video editing. Our next step is to learn video editing, progressing from a beginner to a professional level using Adobe Premiere Pro. You might wonder how it's possible to learn and master skills in just a few days, considering it usually takes years. Well, we can employ the Richard Feynman technique to accomplish this. According to this technique, you'll learn more effectively and efficiently when you actively engage in learning and teach others what you've learned. If you dedicate 1 hour daily to this side hustle, allocate 45 minutes for learning and 15 minutes for teaching on YouTube. This accelerates your learning process and simultaneously builds a community while establishing authority in the field. The best part is you don't need to appear on camera. Simply use your desktop screen and your voice to explain the concepts. Check the description section for a more detailed video on this topic. The third step is optional and involves freelancing. You can explore freelancing opportunities if you wish to dedicate an additional hour to this side hustle. Given that you're learning video editing, you can offer your services as a freelancer to earn extra income on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Look at this seller who charges $100 for a 1-minute video. By efficiently editing 1 or 2 such videos daily, you can make $3,000 to $5,000 per month while working just an hour a day. Step 4. Create a digital product. As we've discussed, you can create presets and sell them at a reasonable price, or you can develop a course and sell it for profit. To gain inspiration, you can explore the presets offered by those 5 creators. You can also visit their websites to learn what they teach in their courses and incorporate similar content into your course. Selling courses provide a complete passive income stream. By investing your effort and time into creating a course just once, you can generate passive income for years to come. Let's find out how to set up an automated system for selling your course, allowing you to earn money even while you sleep. Numerous websites allow you to create and sell your courses. Some well-known examples include udemy.com and skillshare.com. However, these platforms function as course marketplaces, similar to Amazon for physical products. If you prefer your own website to sell the courses, you can do so for free on groove.cm. The best part is you don't need any coding skills like other platforms might require. Groove.cm provides a ready-made sales system that you can set up once and will continue to work forever. With Groove.cm, you can easily create professional landing pages and use drag-and-drop templates, organize your course content module by module, and much more. Given the complexity of explaining everything in this short video, I recommend exploring their tutorial section to learn more. Once you have your course ready and have set up your sales system, you can proceed to the fifth step, which involves driving traffic to your website. One effective strategy is to spread the word about the training program with your YouTube subscribers. Since you already provide them with free content, they will trust you and may consider a purchase. They are unlikely to unsubscribe, even if they choose not to buy, since they value your free content. Let's say you upload only 3 videos weekly, each receiving 100 daily views. This is a conservative estimate, considering many videos receive millions of views daily. With 300 daily views, if just 1% of those viewers are ready to purchase your course, you will make 3 sales per day. Assuming you price your course at $50, this would result in $150 in daily earnings, translating to $4,500 per month as a passive income stream. That's it for this video. If you're interested in learning how to create courses using ChatGPT and other free AI tools, please click the video displayed on the screen.